Let us understand how long is a second. International Bureau of Weights and Measures is that organization which decides everything about measurement of physical quantities like how long is 1 meter, how much 1 kg weigh, and how long is a second. सारी दुनिया के साइंटिस्ट 4 सालों में एक बार जनरल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ वेट्स एंड मेजर्स में मिलते हैं और फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज मेजर करने के स्टैंडर्ड्स जैसे मीटर, सेकंड, इनको एनालाइज करते हैं और रीडिफाइन करते हैं। एक सेकंड की डेफिनेशन को समझने के लिए हमको सीजियम 133 एटम के ऑसिलेशन के बारे में समझना होगा। Cesium 133 atom has 55 electrons which are arranged in its 6 orbits. The outermost orbit has only 1 electron. As electrons revolve in their orbits around the nucleus due to attraction force of nucleus and electron require a specific energy to revolve in its orbit. So we call these orbits as energy states. लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन केवल न्यूक्लियस के चारों ओर रिवॉल्व ही नहीं करते बल्कि अपनी एक्सिस के अबाउट स्पिन भी करते हैं, जैसे अर्थ सन के चारों ओर रिवॉल्व भी करती है और स्पिन भी। Similarly, nucleus also has a spin motion. Due to these spin motions of electron and nucleus and their interaction, the outermost orbit of electron splits into 2 hyperfine levels. When this electron is given appropriate energy at appropriate time interval, like a kick to a ball, electron starts jumping from lower level to upper level and then back to lower level. This repetitive transition from lower to upper level and then back to lower level of electron is known as oscillation of cesium atom. And during each jump, electron radiates pulse of 1 electromagnetic wave. So 1 second is that time duration in which electron completes 9,192,631,770 oscillations. And also in 1 second electron radiates same number of electromagnetic pulses. So this is 1 second's time duration.